Hello everyone, it is Sandra. I hope you are safe, happy and healthy. Are you excited? Because there is a very special challenge where all of you get to enter as well and win prizes too. So stay tuned. If you love fruits and everything art just like me, Nakano has the right challenge for you to enter and you will win valuable prizes. And to give you an insight on how valuable the Nakano knives are, just to inform you, a lot of the top chefs, the international Michelin chef, Japanese sushi chefs, the book authors and TV celebrities use this Nakano knives every day because it's one of the toughest and one of the sharpest knives in the whole wide world. So all you have to do right now is to click the link in the description below. Check out how you can enter this challenge, where you can participate, how you're going to upload it, whether it's going to be in the picture form or video form, and then make sure to get your pictures out there and get people to vote. So the more votes you get, the higher chance of you winning this challenge. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask all you want in the comment section below. I will get back to you on that. As Nakano Knives Ambassador, I will also participate in this challenge with you. So if you are taking part in this challenge, let me know and I will definitely vote for you too. So just comment the link and then I will actually get back to you on that too. Here are the prizes that you and I can win. Prize number 1, you will receive Nakano Chef Knife, which is a real classic if you can gather more than 50 votes. Prize number 2, you will receive Nakano's wooden series of knife if you can gather more than 200 votes. And lastly, prize number 3, you will receive Nakano's handcrafted top of the line knife, which is worth $1,000. And the best part is, you get to have your name engraved on it. And all you need to do is to gather more than 1,000 votes. So are you guys ready for the challenge? It starts today on the 9th of April 2021 until the 18th of April 2021. I'm going to show you how I'm going to create my own animal fruit art, and after all this you can create your own too. So it's playtime! Okay, so what am I going to do? Okay, can you see all this? Yes, I have prepared the pineapple, frozen raspberries, it's actually kind of melted, and then frozen mixed berries, and prepared oranges, sun-kissed oranges, lemons, baby oranges, and custard. So I'm not sure how I'm going to create my pineapple. Rabbit. Let's make a rabbit, shall we? Okay, yeah. Wow, I never really done this before, but okay, let's get to it. How am I going to make the rabbit? I'm going to put it inside here. Okay. So I'm just going to cut off. Got the top off. I'm just gonna place it into this. Oh, this is cute. Okay. I'm gonna cut off. as it is right now. So guys, once you are done decorating your own animal fruit art, so once you're done with that, please be sure to tag me in all of your social media accounts, upload all the pictures, and hashtag Gisandra Nakano Fruit Art Challenge and also Nakano Animal Fruit Art Challenge, so that we can view everything that you have uploaded and we can see how all of these are ongoing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and most definitely please vote for me as well. I will leave all the links in the description below, and if you want me to vote for you as well, leave your link in the comment section and I will vote for you too. And that's all for